Hey all, how's everybody doing? I guess that's good, cause no news means good news. Hold on a second. Be right back. Much better. So about a month ago, PeakDesign had their online promotion, which means all of their products are on massive discount. So I hesitated for 2 seconds and I purchased a couple of things. Stay home because I save money with busted! Oh yeah, the moment I've been waiting for. So, let's start off with the smaller one first. So the first one is the capture camera clip. Basically it's a mount that holds your camera. So it has a base plate and a clip. Base plate goes to the camera and the clip goes to your shoulder strap on your bag. So imagine you're out shooting, alright? Pa 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 pa, and you're done. But instead of putting your camera back to your bag, you put it onto the clip. Well, it's kind of like a strap, but strap, you know, you gotta sling it over your shoulder, and then it's just not as nice whenever you're walking and your camera is just bouncing around you. You got me. Well, I'm not very sure on the ergonomics on this, you know. Well, I have to try it out myself. When going out to shoot is not an illegal thing to do. Well, I mean, not with the M16 or a Canon, but with a camera, alright? So next up we'll have the medium sized. Let's tear it up. So this is the PeakDesign tech pouch. So this is possibly the best tech pouch you can find out there. You know, it's so small, it's so simple, yet it's so functional. It can pack heap loads of things. So say you're out traveling for a couple of days, you know, you have to pack your batteries, your cables, your chargers, your SSD, your SD card, you know, whatever tech stuff that's small, you know, and then you always have problem finding them when you're putting into the bag. You can pack them all in here, you know. With this thing, you'll never go digging into the unknown. So finally, the last one. We saved the best for the last. The big boy. Let's go. A bigger tech pouch. Okay, jokes aside. So this is the everyday sling 6-liter version. This is the V2. So all along I've been a huge PeakDesign fan because all their products is just so well thought out. The engineering, the design into the products, everything is just top notch. Well, I've actually watched a lot of their marketing videos, the review videos on YouTube, and every point that's mentioned, it hits right onto the problem that I'm facing. It's like a calling, you know, please get me, this will solve all of your problems that you're facing. Or is it just marketing? Well, I'm not buying it just because it's on discount. I've been eyeing on a bag like this for quite a while. Something that's small, something that's lightweight, something that can, you know, carry all my gears that I need on a day trip. So, on my day trip, I don't even carry much. It's usually just a camera, a lens, phone, keys, wallet, passport, earbuds, tissue, nail clippers, iPad, microphones. Yeah, that's about it. So this bag is the perfect candidate for all of them. Hang on. If you're looking at the video title, it's named as Beautiful Surprise, or if it's just a dream, then what does it have to do with the unboxing before this? After your purchase was done, I was tracking my parcel almost every other day, you know. But from the 3rd day onwards, the status has not changed. It's been pending departure at Hong Kong. So it was from the 3rd day up to the end of 3rd week, I think, somewhere there. So I emailed PeakDesign customer service, by the way, which was really good. So immediately they issued another shipping, and guess what happened? I now end up with 2 of everything. And then now, what do I do with the other one? Do you think I should keep them, or do you think I should tell them? Tell me what you think. Well, never mind what you think. I've already told them. I've already emailed them saying that there might be some mistake with the shipping and everything. You know, I've now ended up with 2 of everything. So I mean, I'll have to see what they reply, and then who knows? I might be able to keep both of them. Yay. So stay tuned on this channel if you want to know what happens to the +1 of everything that I bought. And if you like today's video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and you know, if you want to talk to us, please leave a comment down below, or even ask anything about the PeakDesign's product. So I'll see you in the next one.